Hey, Jack Joe here. We're doing some house projects today.
And I am Christianson.
Well, she's the boss today. Where's that wood at? You got wood? Let's get some wood for me to touch. I got a pencil. Look at that. You ever seen one of these? Best tool in the books.
It's best when it's flat.
Now what we got here is Scotch tape. Not Scotch tape, but it will do. So we're about pros about now.
I watched YouTube last night. I learned how to be a carpenter, or I learned how to cut wood. I learned it with a handsaw.
Yeah, this isn't a handsaw. But I'm sure
Same difference.
I'm sure it does the same. Guess what? I cut off 5 fingers.
5-finger keeper. Hey, I just washed this.
Well, your hair hasn't been washed in a while.
Look, it's like a real bowling shirt now. Got my stripe here. Looking super cool. All right. Well, I mean, I don't know about, I can see some vest.